So are you ready to become an executive virtual assistant this 2025? If yes, then this is definitely the video that you need to watch, because here we're going to talk about the ultimate executive virtual assistant starter kit that you need to know to start working from home as an EVA come 2025. But before we dive into that, if you don't know me yet, my name is Mia. I used to be an executive virtual assistant, and now I am a training and onboarding manager. So I train executive virtual assistants, I create training modules, and then I also hire and onboard EVAs or aspiring EVAs here in the Philippines. First things first, if you want to become an executive virtual assistant, a freelancer, a remote worker, a general VA, then these are the tools that you need to start using and start preparing. First one, of course, definitely is for you to have a reliable laptop or a desktop. Really depends to you, but I would definitely suggest a laptop because if you become a freelancer or an executive virtual assistant, of course, it's work from home, meaning you can actually work from anywhere. It's going to be like a digital nomad lifestyle. And it doesn't have to be an expensive one. The go-to brands that I can definitely recommend are Lenovo, a MacBook. That's something that I use. Well, I think those are the only ones that I really know. I'm not that techie, but yeah, reliable laptop or desktop is definitely a must. You can start from finding a laptop from 15,000 pesos up until a good brand new MacBook can go for 40,000 pesos. So you can also purchase a second-hand equipment as long as it is within the specs of 8 MB RAM, because we do a lot of multitasking as virtual assistants, so our computers or our equipment needs to be really fast or can handle multiple tabs on all at the same time. The next tool that you need to have, of course, is a really good internet. When I was starting as a virtual assistant back in 2021, it was right in the middle of the pandemic. I wasn't using a fiber connection. I was actually using a prepaid home Wi-Fi that you have to plug in and then you have to purchase and load it in advance for you to be able to use it. As long as you have a minimum speed of 10 Mbps, then you're good to go. You don't have to purchase the postpaid ones. You can purchase the prepaid ones first. If you really have a good mobile data, that can also work as long as it is at least 10 Mbps. Another tool that you need to start with, since you already have your equipment, is your email. If this is going to be your first work and you don't have a formal email yet or a professional email, make sure that you create one, and make sure that you create a Gmail account and not a Yahoo account. Okay, so when you are creating your Gmail account, for it to be really professional, you have to make use of combinations of your names, your last name, a nickname, or your last name and your first name, whatever is available, as long as it is professional and you're using your real names. Okay, and that's the first tool that you need to also prepare is your email, because that's where all of your communication will go to, and that's the email that you're going to use to sign up to the different tools that you need, which we will also discuss next. Since we are already in that topic, the next tool that you need to have are messaging apps. So you have your Zoom or Google Meet. Zoom is a video conferencing tool. If you're not yet familiar, it's for free. You can use it for free. And then you also have your Google Meet, which is also a video conferencing tool. If you create your Gmail account, you will automatically have access to Google Meet. Okay? And these are tools that you're going to use to communicate with your clients. These are also video conferencing tools that you will use to send links to your potential client that you would like to do a discovery call on. Okay, so these are the two tools, video conferencing tools that you need to have. The next messaging platform that you need to use is WhatsApp. as virtual assistants, we get clients overseas, or we get foreign clients. We get clients from the US, from Europe, from Australia. So the easiest messaging platform that we can use, that is mostly used by a lot of foreigners, is WhatsApp. Okay, if you have an iPhone, you can also opt to use your iMessage tool. If you also have, or if your clients are more used to using, let's say, Telegram or Signal or Viber or Messenger, then you can opt to use that. But based on experience, most probably 95% of clients are using WhatsApp, so that you can easily call each other or text each other. You can also leave voice messages. So it's very important that you learn how to use WhatsApp. Next messaging platform to be familiar with is Slack. So this is commonly used by companies. So you should be able to learn how to use this. You don't have to use this as your daily messaging app if you don't have a client yet, but this is something that a lot of companies are using for their messaging platform. So make sure that you learn how to use them. The next set of tools that you should prepare for your ultimate executive virtual assistant starter kit is your profile and your portfolio. So your portfolios should be in LinkedIn, Upwork, OnlineJobs PH, and JobStreet. Okay, make sure that you optimize your profiles. I do have an online course that talks about all of these things, as well as optimizing the different profiles that you will use on different job platforms. So if you are interested in enrolling in that, the link will be in the caption down below. The next one is your portfolio. So you can create a free portfolio using Canva. And then some companies, especially if you're applying in a virtual assistant agency, they would ask for your resume. If you already have your LinkedIn or your JobStreet platforms and profiles, you can export your profile into a resume. Okay, just make sure that your resume is ATS optimized. ATS means Applicant Tracking System. So this is a software used to assist in the screening or selection process for prospective employees. So it's an automated system or a software wherein companies scan your resume. So you have to make sure that your resumes are ATS friendly. When we say ATS friendly, you have to make sure that you don't use a lot of colors. If you look at the different free templates on Canva on resume, nope, that's not what we're going to use, especially if you are applying as an executive virtual assistant. We don't use colorful resumes. We also avoid putting your photos in your resumes, okay? There's no need to put your photos in there. All you have to do is include all of the necessary information that is needed. If you want to, I have a free template for an ATS friendly resume template. It will be available in the link down below or in the caption down below, so that you can download it for free and use it for your own resume. The next tool that you need to prepare to ready you for your executive virtual assistant, freelancer, remote worker, general VA career is your contracts. So if you are someone who's going to look for a direct client and the client doesn't provide you with a contract, you have to make sure that you create your own contract as well. So what should be, or how will you create your contract? You can use tools such as ChatGPT or Gemini to help you create a independent contractor contract, or you can also use templates available in Google Docs. I can also provide you with a sample template of a contract. It will also be available in the caption linked down below. Now that you already have your tools ready, the next set of things that you have to learn before you start your executive virtual assistant career or direction or path are the skills. So aside from tools, you should also have the skills. There are 5 foundational skills that you need to learn. First up is your inbox management or email management. When we say inbox management, our goal here is to help our clients reach what we call inbox zero. Inbox zero simply means that the only things that your client will see once they log into their email are emails that needs their attention. There are different ways for you to reach inbox zero. One of the ways is to familiarize yourself with the features that is available within Gmail. If you want to learn more about how to reach inbox zero or inbox management, you can enroll in my course, or you can check out the free tutorials that I have on my YT channel or on my YouTube channel or on this channel. So better make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and everything will be, or the playlist will be, linked in the caption down below. The next skill that you need to learn is calendar management. So you have your inbox, and the next is calendar. As executive virtual assistants, we're going to handle a lot of meetings for our clients. We are going to handle a lot of meetings for our clients. We're going to input appointments, travel dates, and all of those things. So we have to make sure we learn, or we know how to use the different features of Google Calendar. Okay, so make sure that you learn how to do calendar management. The next skill you need to learn as an EVA is travel management, because our clients, especially C-level executives, love to travel, both for business and for pleasure. So you have to make sure you know how to book flights, search and book flights, hotels, restaurants, activities, and then create your itinerary. Next skill that you need to learn is household management. So as executive VAs, we are a jack and Jill of all trades. We do almost everything for our clients, whether it be personal tasks or business tasks. So household management will definitely fall under personal tasks. These are the tasks that you have to do under household management: is paying bills, booking or looking for doctors, looking for chefs, looking for fitness instructors. So those are the things that fall under household management. You will also do some Christmas shopping, grocery shopping, gift shopping. So those things fall under household management. So you need to learn how to do that as an EVA. And you need to learn what websites to go to successfully execute household management tasks. The next skill that you need to learn is basic social media management, because a lot of our clients, especially businesses, are already on social media. So one of the tasks that you might do is to help your client with their social media platform. So basic social media management is important. You don't need to dive deep into social media management per se, because we are executive VAs, but just learning the basics of how to post, how to create content calendar, what is the right thing to post, how to read the analytics on different social media platforms. So those are the things that you need to learn how to do to help your client when they need help in their social media. Now that you already have the tools and the skills ready, the next thing that you're going to equip yourself to ready you for your executive virtual assistant journey is, of course, where to look for your clients. Okay, there are 3 places where you can look for clients. First, of course, are the different job platforms that are available up there. We have websites like Upwork or Fiverr. We also have onlinejobs PH or LinkedIn, and then we also have JobStreet. And all of the websites that I just mentioned are very beginner friendly. You can look for direct clients, you can look for agencies on these job platforms. Another place where you can find clients is social media. You can look for clients in Facebook, in Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube. Difference with job platforms and social media is with social media, you do the hard outreach or cold outreach, meaning you're going to reach out to a potential client that you've identified and you're going to sell yourself. Unlike job platforms wherein they are actually already looking for a virtual assistant or a remote worker and they have posted the job opening. With social media platforms, sometimes they're not looking, but you might be able to sell yourself. And also remember, when you become or when you decide to become a freelancer or a remote worker, you are already a business owner, which means you have to optimize your social media platforms or social media profiles. Once you've optimized your social media profiles, there will be a time wherein you don't actually have to already look for clients. clients will be the one reaching out to you through your social media platforms. And I'm saying this from experience. When I optimized my Instagram account, I saw a lot of potential clients dropping on my DMs and asking me if they can hire me or if I can recommend anyone. So optimizing your social media is definitely going to level up your freelancing or remote work game. And the last place where you can look for clients is, of course, virtual assistant agencies. In 2025, we are going to actually see a rise of virtual assistant agencies. That's because a lot of clients right now are also partnering with VA agencies to look for virtual assistants for them or for their company. Why? Because there was also a rise in interest of becoming a virtual assistant. So there are a lot of applicants already out there applying for a job opening, and it overwhelms a lot of clients. It's getting harder for them to really look for a quality applicant or a quality hire. And that's why they are reaching out to virtual assistant agencies so that the agencies will be the one to scout those potential hires or quality hires. And agencies also provide training, which makes things easier for clients. So definitely in 2025, we are going to see a rise of a lot of VA agencies. And if you are someone who's a beginner in remote work, you've never had any experience in the remote work industry, or this is the first job that you're going to have, then partnering or applying with a VA agency is definitely a direction that you can take. What are the VA agencies out there that you can check out? First, we already have Strivo, we have Coconut VA, we have Next Level Assist, we have Med VA, Hello Raish, Pineapple Staffing. Those are just a few of the VA agencies out there. We also have Outsourcing Angels. We have the VA Hub. We also have Structure to Scale. So those are just my top 10 VA agencies. If you want to see a complete list of my top VA agencies that you can apply to, then you can check out the link down below in the caption below, and I will have that ready for you so that you can easily apply to those VA agencies if you're interested to start your virtual assistant career in 2025. And that's it, everyone. That is your ultimate executive virtual assistant starter kit for 2025. There are still a lot of information that I can give you, but of course, I don't want to overwhelm you. Just follow the steps that we discussed right now, and I'm sure that you can start already your journey to becoming an executive virtual assistant, a freelancer, a remote worker, or a general VA by 2025. If you want to learn more about how to become a successful EVA and deep dive with all of the different skills, tools, and all of the other information that you need, I created an online course on Executive Virtual Assistant Basics. It is a self-paced course. It has 16 modules with 16 hours worth of video tutorials and downloadable templates. It's available. You can enroll anytime since it's self-paced. You will also have lifetime access to that course, meaning if I update or add more modules, you will have access to it as well. So all you have to do is check out the link in the caption below to enroll now. So if you find this video helpful and you enjoyed all the information that you just received, why don't you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel as well? Check out all of the other videos and the playlist that is available in this channel so that you can start working from home and start earning in dollars. If there is anything that you would like to also learn, just comment it in the comment section down below. And we are going to try and create videos for all of your suggestions. So thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Happy holidays, happy new year, and I hope you guys have a really successful 2025. Bye!